Hello students, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you ages chapter. Okay, so this is a very important chapter for SSC and banking even in railway exam. So and any other competitive exam which 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 is also asked question from this chapter. Okay, okay. Students, as I said, this is very important chapter. It's a very important chapter. Ages chapter. Okay, for competitive exam. So basic concept. In this chapter, I will clarify concept and also I will teach you and I will teach you some examples so that you can get it very easily. So what is the basic concept? Ages are ages. Ages. What is the basic concept of age? Age changes equally with time. That is the basic concept. Age changes equally with time. After n years, age increases by n. N years ago, age decreases by n. Okay. So, take an example like if my present age is something like 20 years. If my present age is 20 years, this is my present age. Okay. I am representing it with T. After 5 years, after 5 years, after 5 years, what will be my age? So, after 5 years, my age will be increases by 5. So, my final age will be after 5 years, 25 years. What was my age 5 years ago? Before 5 years, before 5 years, what was my age? Now my age is 20 years. Okay. So, before 5 years, my age was 20 minus 5. That is 15 years, which is very obvious. You can you can know this by imagining this. Okay, if my present age is 20 years, if my present age is 20 years, okay, and before 5 years, before 5 years, before 5 years, what was my age? 20 minus 5, that is 15 years. Okay, And after 5 years, what will be my age? After 5 years, my age will be 20 plus 5 years. That is 25 years. Understood, student? This is very simple theory, you can say. Okay. Now, if we represent n with year, we are representing n. N equals to what? N is number of years. Years. I am writing it in short form. Yeah, number of years. Okay. So present age of you can number of years. Okay. Number of years. Number of years is represented by n. Okay. So if present age is x, present age is x. After n years, what will be my age? If my present age is x, if my present age is x years. Okay. What will be my age after n years? Obviously, it will be x plus n. Obviously, it will be x plus n. Okay. And what was my age in years ago? What was my age in years ago? This is also, we know that x minus n, because x is my present age. Okay. Okay. Give 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Okay. Hello. Am I audible? Sorry, student. I was taking a break. Now I am back to the live. Now audible right now. I am solving some problems based on ages. Rahul is 5 years older than Amit. In question 1, it said Rahul is 5 years older than Amit. If Amit is 12 years old, find Rahul's age. So Rahul is 5 years older than Amit. So age, Rahul's age equals to Amit age plus 5, because Rahul is 5 years old. So we can say Rahul minus Amit equals to 5. Okay. is 5. Okay. If Amit is 12 years old, so age of Amit is 12 years. Then we simply put Amit's age here. So R minus Amit means 12 years equals to 5. Implies it was very simple question. It's a very simple question. Now we are moving to the next question. Q2. Question number 2. The present age of a father okay, is 40 years and his son is 15 years. What is the age difference? So present age of present age of father and this is son. Okay. Present age of father is 50 years and his son's age is 15 years. 15 years. Okay. So what is the age difference? Difference is what? What is the difference? Minus that is 25 years. That is the gap. So in this question, we are said to find out the gap. Okay. So age difference is 25 years. So it is also a very easy, a very easy question. Now we are moving to the third question. Okay. A mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. So if the age of mother and this is daughter. I'm representing it with D. Mother M and daughter D. Okay. So a mother is 3 times as old as her daughter. So daughter's age, if the daughter's age is X, then mother age is 3 times, that is 3X. Okay. If the daughter is 10 years old, daughter age is X equivalent to 10 years. Find the mother's age. Then what will be the 3X? X equals to 10 years. Then 3X equals to X into 3. That is 10 years into 3. 10 years into 3. Okay. Here it will be 10 years into 3 X. We will put the value of X here. Okay. Value of X will be put here. So 3 into 10y. 10 years. That is 30 years. That is the final value is 30 years. So daughter's age is 10 years and mother's age is 30. Okay, do you understand? Do you understand or not? Tell me in the comment section. Do you understand? Do you understand? Tell me in the comment section. Okay, We are moving to the next question. I'm changing the color of the pen. Okay. Now find 5 years ago. Rina was 18 years old. What is her present age? 5 years ago, Rina was 18 years old. So 5 years ago, this is 5 years. Okay, this is 5 years ago. 5 years ago, age of Rina. Rina's age was 18 years. Let me write. Rina's age was 18 years. Okay, 18 years. So 5 years. This is 5 years ago. So now the present age will be, what is her present age? We have to find out the present age of Rina. Present age of Rina. Okay. So 5 years ago, this was her age. Then now her age will be increased by 5 years. So present age of Rina will be 18 plus 5, that is 23 years. So she will be 23 years old. So the present age of Rina is what? 23 years. Understood? Now we are moving to the next question. After 8 years, question number 5. After 8 years, Sohan will be 25 years old. What is his present age? Sohan will be 25 years old. What? 5 years. 8 years, sorry, 8 years. So, in this question, after 8 years, that is 8 years later. After 8 years, you can say. Same thing. After 8 years. After 8 years, Sohan's age. Sohan's age will be 25 years old. Okay, 25 years. After 8 years. So, what is his present age? His present age is, his present age is, what is his present age? Now, present age will be, this is, we have to go upward 8 years. That is, we have to reduce 8 years. That is 25 minus 8 years. That is 17. 17 years. Then it will be after 8 years, if the present age is 17 years, and after 8 years, it will be 25. You can calculate it backside also. Okay. So after 8 years, the age of Sohan is 25 years. So the present age of Sohan is what? 17 years, which is the right answer. So the present age is 17. This is the answer. Okay. Okay, student. Understood. Now we are moving to the next question. Question number 6. Sum of ages of two brothers is 30 years. Sum of ages of two brothers is 30 years. One is 4 years older than the other. So if we say brother 1 is to brother 2. Okay. One is 4 years older than the other. If brother 2 is X, then brother 1 is 4 years older than the other, that is X plus 4. Okay. Okay, student. This is very, if one brother is 10 years, then the other will be 10 plus 4, that is 14 years. That is 14 years. Okay. If the one brother is, suppose if the one brother is 5 years, then the other brother will be 5 plus 4, that is 9 years. Just like this. So sum of the ages of two brothers is 30 years. So what will be the sum? Sum will be x plus x plus 4. So this is the sum, and here it is said sum is 30 years. So this equals to 30 years. We can write it. Then we will find out the value of x. We have to find their ages. Okay. So we will simply find out the value of x. So x plus x equals to 2x, and this 4 will be passed to this side, then it will be 30 minus 4. 30 minus 4. So implies 2x equals to 30 minus 4, that is 26. Then x equals to what? 26 divided by 2. So cancelling out, we are getting 13. Cancelling out, we are getting 13, which is the value of x. So the value of x is 13. Okay. So we have to find their ages. So we have to find out b1 and b2 and b1. So b1 equals to what? X plus 4, that is x. The value of x is 13. So x plus 4, that is 13 plus 4, that is 17. So b1 is 17 years old, and b2 is simply x. X means 13. So b2 is 13 years old. So sorry. One brother's age is 19 years, the other one. Hello, am I audible now? Hello, okay, so we'll find out the 10th number question. Sorry, student, I was mute. I am checking it out. Okay, now I think from seventh number question opportunity. Okay, I am explaining it again. I am explaining it again. Okay, so a father is 28 years older than his son. If the son is 14 years old, find the father's age. From seventh number. So if which is represented which I represent if as father and s as son. So father minus son equals to 28. So f minus f minus 14 son's age that is said in 14 years old. So son's age is 14 that is 28. So father's age equals to 28. This sign will be changed to plus 14 that is 42 years. Okay. Now the ratio of ages of A and B is 30 is to 5. If B is 25 years old, find A's age. So A should be equals to 3 is to 5. So we are not going to do this like 3x and 5x. We will do this like equivalent. So 5 is equivalent to 25. 5 that is B set. B set is 25. So 5 is B ratio of B is 5. So 5 is equivalent to 25. 1 is equivalent to 5. So 3 is equivalent to 5 into 3. 5 times 3 that is 15 years. So A's age will be 15 years. Then we're moving to the next question. 9. 10 years ago, Mina was half of her present age. Find her age. Present age 10 years ago and present age. If present age is 2x, we are writing it 2x because so that mm, the, so that there is no fraction here. Okay, we don't want fraction because uh, calculation will be easy. So present age is 2x and then 10 years ago the age will be x. As it is said, 10 years ago Mina was half of her present age. So 10 years ago her age will be half of her present age that is 2x. Half of 2x that is x. 10 years ago x. So present age is 2x and 10 years ago the age of Mina was x. So the difference is 2x minus x equals to 10 years. Present age minus 10 years ago's age equals to 10 years. So x equals to 10. We are getting the value of x is 10. So here it is said that find her present age. Find her present age. So present age is 2x. So we simply put x value, the value of x. So 2 time of x is 2 time of 10. Values of x is 10 as values of x is 10. So 2 time of 10 that is 20 years. Okay, understood. The average age of three friends is 20 years. Next question. The average age of three friends is 20 years. Find the total age. So if we consider F1 and F2 and average concept is if a quantity is given to every person, if x quantity is given to n number of persons, then the average is nx. This is the concept. Okay, so x quantity means if age of f1 is 20, years and F2 is 20 years old. Then average age is 20 years old. Sorry, we said something wrong. If X quantity is given to n number of hens, then the average is what? Average is X. Average is X. X quantity is given to n number of hens, that is, then the average is X. And the total uh, quant, uh, actual quantity will be nx. Okay, actual quantity is nx, but the average is x. Okay. So f1, f2, and f3. The average of three pairs f1, f2, and f3 is 20 years. So average age is 20 years. So we are getting the actual age. Actual age will be 60. How? Because average is 20 years. That is equally, this is the age of these three person or three friends will be same. Okay, 20 years, 20 years, and 20 years. This is the concept of average. So if we multiply, if we add this, we get 60. That is their total age, which is 60. So their total age will be 60 years. Okay, understood? So please subscribe this channel because I am new here and uh, I don't have many subscribers. So please subscribe if you are new and learn from here. I will try my best to make you understand and make you learn in an easy way. Okay, student. Bye bye. Good night.